This is a new 2015 Ford Explorer. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, power seats, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Jack Schmidt Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1823 Vandalia, Collinsville, Illinois 62234.